Hi, my name is Ivan. Today I will talk about a book I've been reading a few weeks. This is an excellent book, especially for industrial engineer, because it's like a Bible of or Torah for industrial engineers. The principle of scientific management by Frederick Taylor. Often, as industrial engineers, lose focus and forget about such basic things. This cause, at the time of the profession, the desired results are not achieved. The first chapters talk about the need for us to apply scientific management. There are many job losses of time and money. The workers are very full of paradigms. The main goal of scientific management should be the maximum prosperity for the employer and for each employer. For workers is not only important a large salary, also meant to reach their maximum potential of efficiency. For the maximum prosperity is not achieved, three are the cause of this situation. 1. Prejudice. Workers feel that a large increase in production will animate of machine. As a final result, the dismissal of a large number of workers. 2. Management system force workers to produce slow to protect their interests. 3. Empirical methods and ineffective work. Workers are wasting much of your effort. Bosses and workers must have a cooperation, intimate and personal. This is something that rarely happened, and for more than 100 years ago Taylor wrote. I think this goes beyond reading a book. We can see how our country is very used to doing the work empirically, and if we all of custom and we do it right, we can now make progress on a personal level and a country level. Taylor shows a different example of Western productivity. Everyone should be trained and should have someone to teach you and take you to. We can now help someone to love having to have physical strength to do it. In the examples in the book, Job who's perfect about time and motion students. It is very important to discover the places and moments that are lost in productivity process. It also teaches about the resilience of the human body and when workers begin to have fatigue. There are many principles that are very important, and this book has left me personally. Study the job before fixing the way it should be run. Study the work of workers, analyze their basic movements, and take their time to after careful analysis to eliminate or reduce wasted movements and refine useful movements. Scientifically select workers according to the task assigned to it. We can now put someone to carry heavy things up if you have the physical strength to do. Give workers technical instructions on how to work that is properly trained so they can do a better job and not fall behind production. Separating the function of planning of implementation, it is very important that people who have the ability to plan to do have to run these steps because it will be a lot of work for that worker, especially and trained working in both the planning and control of work and in their implementation, prepare production, establish, reward, and incentives when they be active, establish standards, as well as enterprise and graded incentives for employers when they be overcome, standardize the tools, materials, machinery, equipment, work methods, and processes to be used. They remind me for the beginning of the 5S, everything in the place. Divide proportionality between the company, shareholders, workers, and consumers the benefits resulting from increased production. Check all job execution to maintain the desired levels, refine, score, and reward. This book teaches us many important things. What makes these books more interesting are the results that can be achieved when we adapt these principles. These principles can be applied not only in the companies, absent in your homes, churches, institutions, universities, making it more useful. I invite you to read this book and power a big so we'll seek different results.